My next book is with Rupa Publications. It's called Advantage Love. It's out on Flipkart right now. It's about a young girl from Lucknow who comes to Delhi and she falls in love with a politician who breaks her heart. So she tries to find herself again and finds romance with a celebrity tennis player. And the old politician comes back into her life. So it's a bit of love, romance, what would you do when your ex comes back into your life, a little bit of saucy Delhi corridor politics, and a mixture of a lot of intrigue as well. So I'm looking forward to this book. I'm a girl from Lucknow and I went to study in Delhi, and then I started working in Bombay. And coming from a very small town, it takes a lot of courage for me to actually sit on a stage or write about my public appearance in different places. I'm very shy at heart, and I wanted that character to come out. So in my new book, Advantage Love, my protagonist is like me. She's a little mousy at heart and she finds her voice in the end, and I think that's what my journey has been, and I'm still trying to find my voice somewhere in this world. The main character in Advantage Love is based partly on myself and partly on my cousin who is still living in Delhi. We're both from Lucknow. We have very strict traditional parents, and yet we believe in love and romance, and we've got into quite tricky situations in life, so regarding love. So